We all seen those crazy videos online where people are telling you can make $100,000 in business funding as soon as you create an LLC, and it doesn't matter what your credit score is, and you don't need any income documents. Well, guys, listen, I used to laugh at those videos all the time, and you guys know I used to expose all of these crazy people advertising these misleading things online. Well, lately, after all of these videos have gotten thousands of likes and hundreds of comments and people engaging on these videos, I've decided to do research on this and determine there's actually one way to actually do this.
You would always want to be on the side of having good credit.
Do you think it pays to have good credit? Step number one, work hard. If you don't put in the work, you'll never earn money. Step two, find your clientele. You can decide to work with a lot of people with a tighter budget, or you may decide to work with less people who have a higher budget. You can also offer multiple different products for all sorts of budgets. Step three, promote your business. If no one knows who you are, you'll never make money. Step four, save and spend your money wisely. If you're blowing every single dollar that you make or spending it on things that's not going to invest into your business, you will never grow. And lastly, step number five, stop falling for stupid stuff online. There is no such thing as creating an LLC and getting 6 figures worth of business funding. No bank on earth would ever do that just because you created something online 5 minutes ago. All right, as always, people are probably going to hate me for doing that, right? You know, I make one of those misleading titles just like all of these other people that I talk bad about and I expose. You know, I decided that these titles or these trends that are going around, I don't know how, but it's just grabbing people's attention. And it's crazy for me. So I am in the credit repair industry where I help people improve their credit scores so they can buy a home or they can use their credit to invest in their business, whatever the case is. And the first thing that people are worried about is this a scam, right? They're cautious on signing up for a legit service, and people know just by going to my website, sturgiscreditrepair.com, people clearly see that I do not play games and I do not care about all the crazy misleading things online. I just strictly stick to the rules of the book. And that's it. You like it or you don't like it. You want the service or you don't want the service. I don't have time to play games with, you know, charging people $1,000 to sign up and then, you know, telling them they can do this with their credit, do that with their credit, and none of that is true. You know, I tell people this is how we're going to work out. This is our chances of getting something removed. This is how it happens. This is what could happen and things like that. I don't deal with all the misleading claims because there's already a lot of crazy garbage that's already in the credit repair industry, and I don't want to be one of those guys. So, you know, it's crazy that people read my website, read the FAQs on the website that shows how much the pricing is, how long it takes, what can be done, what can't be done, what's realistic, what's not realistic, and people still come to me, hey, you know, before I sign up, I just need to talk to you, or I need to email you some questions or additional questions, blah, 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 whatever the case is, right? But you have all of these knuckleheads that are popping up on TikTok telling people they can create an LLC and get business funding and credit card stacking and all of this with no credit or income documents. And there's 50 comments because the video is like, if you want help, type the word credit, or you want help, type the word funding, or whatever the case is. And you go to these comments and there's like 500 comments of people are like, you know, they're just commenting the word that people are telling them to comment if they want help or they want them to DM them. And I'm like, bruh, how is it possible that someone is saying you can create an LLC in 5 minutes for a business that does not exist, and you don't need to use your personal credit? You can get $100,000 in funding, and you don't need any income documents because one, your fake business isn't making income. Yet a bank will give you $100,000 in business funding as soon as you create an LLC and an EIN number and all of that crap. And people fall for this. But those same people who have bad credit that is on that post thinking they can finesse the system and go, you know, bypass the whole traditional way of get funding and just create a blank LLC and get all of this money up front, just like the PPP loan scam and all of that nonsense, those same people would come to Sturgis Credit Repair and see that this is a process and this is how things really work. And they're like, oh, I'm scared, or, oh, you know, I'm cautious of this. You know, I want to be careful. One, it's probably because they already fell for a scam, and you know, they're nervous because they realize a lot of stuff is, you know, are scams that's out there. But two, they realize that the truth hurts and things really take time. There's no Ozempic shot for fixing your finances, guys. There's no Ozempic shot to get money to blow this lifestyle and create a business and grow a business. Things do not happen like that. But it's just crazy that, you know, that these type of videos or these type of TikToks and trends is what's grabbing people's attention. And it's always the people that just can't think for themselves. If they see something that takes time and hard work, they don't want to trust it. But if they see a shortcut on things that sound unrealistic, they much rather fall for it, get scammed, and then start over. They don't want to do their research first and understand that those things are misleading. Kind of like working out in the gym, right? You know, I'm not, you know, a super huge guy, but, you know, of course, clearly I can still lose a little bit of weight. And it's like me, if I want to lose weight, I want to, you know, focus on things that's actually going to lose weight over time. I don't want to go to some online guru telling me I can take a pill and I'm going to drop 30 pounds by, you know, the end of the month, right? I want to do something that I know it's going to work. I want to ride my bike, you know, 15 miles, 12 miles a day. I want to, you know, stick to my keto or carnivore diet or low carb diet. You know, I want to do things that is going to keep me in a calorie deficit. I want to do things that is going to lose weight the scientific way, right? You know, if I eat less than I burn, I am going to lose weight. If I eat more than I burn, I am going to gain or maintain weight. So, you know, it's common sense. And I just don't understand how people keep falling for this stuff online when you have ChatGPT telling you, hey, that's not real. You have so many AI robots online, or you can just go to Google, and now Google has their own AI translator thing where it tells you a lot of this stuff is not true. So guys, stop falling for it and stick to real things. Thanks for tuning in to this episode. If you wish to be a guest on our podcast, visit SturgisCreditRepair.com and click the podcast page to schedule an episode. If you need help with your credit, you can also sign up at SturgisCreditRepair.com and start your free trial today.
Sturgis Credit Repair. Sturgis Credit Repair. If you want a new house, call us. If you need a new car.